stick it over here and let it rest. Aha! There we go. Oh, is there anything better than warm fresh bread? Yes, warm fresh bread with honey butter. Oh. That was so good. Oh, the crust is so crispy on this thing. Oh, I'm getting so full. I've got a belly full of warm bread and it's nice and cozy in here. I'm gonna just kind of take it easy. I'm sore after all that kayaking.
Writer wasn't writing away in the summer. It went off. You think so?
It's signed and numbered.
She went.
Give her a description though.
Here we go. Nice little wooden spoon. Well, I think I made a little bit of a mess here.